Alright, so if you're working on stoichiometry, you would definitely need to know something about mole fractions, okay? Now this question here, question 49, talks about mole fraction. So let's solve it. 1 mole of A, 2 moles of B, and 3 moles of C are put into a container. What is the mole fraction of C? What is the mole fraction of C? So this question, it's not difficult, okay? It's not difficult. So if you have 1 mole of A, 2 moles of B, and 3 moles of C, it means that in total you have 6 moles of everything, right? So if you want to know the mole fraction of C, it means that you need to know the number of moles of C and then divide it by the total number of moles, okay? So that gives you the mole fraction of C, which you can represent with this big X here and then a small c. So that's it. So let's apply, shall we? The number of moles of C is 3. The total number of moles is 6. And your mole fraction is 1 over 2. Does it have a unit? No, it doesn't. Because it cancels out, right? Moles of this cancels out. No units. Right, that is the end of 49. See how simple this thing is? These things are like really simple. We are almost at 50 and we're going to 100, right? So if you have not subscribed to this page, subscribe so that you'll be able to get the other one. Just click on the subscribe button there on YouTube. And then if you're seeing this on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat, uh, or every other place, just click the follow button there so that you'll be able to get the next set of videos we'll be pushing out. So yeah, that's it pretty much. I shall see you guys on 50. Let me know what you think about this question 49. Is this simple? I think it's simple. Let me know what you think. Is it difficult? Let me know. And I'll see you guys on 50, okay? Take care.